Hi Primary 4 friends, how are you today? Meet again with me, Miss Irene. That means we are going to do the nature observation. Yay! Alright, first thing first, let's go to our plant. Or you can take your plant with you. If you have already had your plant with you, please take a look at your plant. How is your plant today? Is it healthy? Do you take care of it every day? How do you take care of it? Do you water it? I believe you take care of it well. By the way, has your plant grown into small plant? Has your plant started sprouting like this? When did it start sprouting? How does the shape of your small plant look like? How is the size? Is it really small? How many leaves does your plant have? Do you still remember how did your seed look like before you planted it? Do you still remember how the size was? It's really small, right? So, have you ever wondered how the small seed can change into small plant and then it's getting taller, taller, and taller? Let me show you how. Okay, as you can see, those are the seeds. Look, what part of the plant that grow first? And then after that, what's next? Do you think your plant will grow like this too? Look, do you think the plant in the video has started sprouting? Alright, after looking at the video before, how do you think your seed, your small seed, can change into small plant like today? Okay, uh, if your plant hasn't started sprouting like the picture or the video before, why do you think? Do you think your plant needs more time to grow into small plant? If your plant hasn't started sprouting, you can take a look at the condition of your soil. Is it dry? Is it wet? Okay, after taking a look at our plant, let's take our nature journal. Don't forget to write the date of today. In your nature journal, please draw what you see in your plant. You can draw the shape of your leaf, or you can draw the small plant. But if your plant hasn't started grow, that is okay. You can draw whatever you see there. You can draw the soil, you can draw the condition of your soil, and then maybe you can add some notes. Why do you think your plant hasn't started to grow into small plant? Okay, friends, after you draw the plant in your nature journal, I want to ask you, what do you think your plant needs to grow well? Have you given all the things your plant needs to grow well? I believe you did because you take care of your plant every day and you take care of it well, right? Okay, I cannot wait to see our plant getting taller, taller, and taller. I wonder what will our plant look like. Do you have any idea how your plant will look like later after it grows taller, taller, and taller? Okay, great. I think that's all for today nature observation. So I believe that you can take care of your plant well, and we will meet again with your plant in the next meeting, okay? Bye friends!